Are there things in your life that you want to get better at? Things that maybe you sort of put them off to the side as a dream or something that is somewhat unobtainable because you just don't see how you're going to get down to doing that, or your life circumstances are not going to really allow you to do that. If that's you and you're listening to this and you're saying, yeah, I've kind of given up on that idea, well, I would challenge you and say, what are you doing to change your current circumstance? I mean, are you spending any time increasing your knowledge of that type of work and that vocation that you want to be doing? So I'll put this on myself. There are things that I was like, well, I can't do it because I don't have time, I don't know how, or I don't necessarily have the means to do it. So what did I do? Instead of just stopping dead in my tracks, I started watching videos on YouTube, and then I started reading things, and everything that I could get a hold of, I went for it and kind of grabbed onto it. And before I know it, I have all of these skills now that I wouldn't have otherwise had I not really gone after it full force. And that's like anything in life. So when you want something to change in your life, you have to be an active participant in changing the circumstances. The first thing to do is to identify those things that you want to change. And then beyond that, you want to see, okay, God, do I need to get any kind of healing over mindsets, wrong mindsets that I have? And if I do have these wrong things, I need to get it right with you. And I need to get delivered from what it is that is creating the wrong thinking in me. And I need to be delivered of the habits and the behaviors that I have developed as a result of thinking these incorrect things about myself. So once you've established what the thing is that you want to change, you've gotten healing for it, and you have completely gotten it out of your system, being delivered from it, that's when restoration can begin, where you begin to form new habits, better habits, more effective, forward-moving habits, and you can really begin to see change in your life. But it begins with you taking and making a concerted effort and participating full force into the change that you want to see take place.